Welcome, viewer. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. Raksha Bandhan is a significant festival celebrated by siblings worldwide. Traditionally, it involves exchanging gifts and sweets, fostering a strong bond between brothers and sisters. However, for individuals managing diabetes, indulging in conventional sugary treats poses health concerns. Fortunately, there are ways to enjoy sweet delicacies while maintaining blood sugar levels within a healthy range. This article presents 5 innovative, diabetic-friendly sweet recipes suitable for Raksha Bandhan celebrations. These creations combine traditional flavors with healthier alternatives, ensuring that diabetics can participate in the festivities without compromising their health goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.